That's a PCV valve with a gasket. So it's super hard. It's on top of your valve cover. I would have done this when I did the spark plug O-rings, but anyway, comes over here. You got to be careful not to get anything into your valve cover head. So in order for me to actually pry this up, what I did was I didn't want to damage it, so you had to pull it up with pliers. These were the larger, I guess I would call these channel locks, but depends on who you're talking to. And I had to pry that thing up just to even try and get it out. But when I had to use a gasket picker, which was scary because you have to pick through here to get it out, and stuff fell in. Well, at least the largest piece did. I made sure not to get the smaller piece out, or at least break into it. I made sure to break off that piece and pull it out first. But this is for just maybe hopefully running smoother. You're supposed to hear like a clicking sound, and it is a valve, but I mean, with how dirty it was and how much I've cleaned it, I went ahead and ordered another one, OEM, off of eBay, and we'll see how that works. I'm also going to change out this O-ring, which is the ICV. It's like a solenoid. That works. But another throttle potty positioning sensor, because I think the ohms were a little bit out. So yeah, I just have been having a rough idle, and I don't really like it. So I wanted to change that, and I think it could have been better, and it obviously is. And the next one, I think I'm going to do this bad boy, this fuel pressure regulator. So I purchased that from Wits End, and that'll be a new part. And just kind of buying all the stuff that no one cares about, so except you guys maybe. Anyway, go Chiefs.